We've been going through Vexub's new video style feature one by one, showing you what each style actually looks like and which niche it's built for. Today we are diving into one that's perfect if your channel is built around storytelling or cinematic. If you are running a history channel, a true story channel, or anything narrative driven, there is a style you need to test first. Here's why cinematic works so well for this kind of content. Instead of static AI images slowly zooming in and out, cinematic pulls in real moving footage with dramatic lighting, sweeping camera movement, and that produced by a studio pacing. It's the visual equivalent of a movie trailer, and when you are narrating something like an ancient mystery or a dramatic true story, that tone makes a massive difference in how immersed your viewer feels. Let's say you are covering a topic like the fall of an ancient civilization or a mysterious unsolved historical event. Before, you would be narrating powerful dramatic lines over a still image barely moving on screen. Now with cinematic, that same narration plays over real sweeping footage that actually matches the weight of the story you are telling. Let's go into the dashboard and show you exactly how to set it up. Click create a video, choose text to video, and continue to step 2 as usual. When you get to the visual style, choose your narrator or your cloned voice, generate or paste your script, and then in the visual section there are two options: image style and video style. The video style is the new feature you have got right there, and here select the video style instead of image style, and from the list of options select cinematic. After that, click on start generation. Vexub will build your entire video using cinematic footages synced to your narration and subtitles automatically. Once it's ready, preview it.
The crew vanished without a trace. In 1918, a ship called the USS Cyclops disappeared in the Bermuda Triangle. It was carrying over 300 men and tons of manganese ore. A massive ship, it seemed invincible. But one day it just vanished. No distress signals, no wreckage, nothing. The Cyclops was last seen leaving Barbados, headed to Baltimore.
You'll notice the pacing and visuals immediately feel more premium, less like a slideshow, more like a mini documentary drama. If your channel lives in history, mystery, biography, or dramatic true stories, this is the style that's going to make your content feel like it belongs on a much bigger production budget than it actually took to make. Try it on your next history or storytelling video and let us know in the comments how it compares to your usual look. If this helps, hit like, subscribe to grow with Vexub, and we'll keep breaking down every video style one at a time. So that's all for today's video. I will catch you in the next one.